Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here at the St. John's Overpass with the oratory there in the distance, and Mount Royal, Outremont, and I forget the other mountain, all visible in the distance. And I have a train coming on CP, it looks like, here along Donegany at about 7:30 p.m. Friday evening, the 28th of May 2021. I might even get two trains. Looks like I'm gonna get two trains. So this is a westbound CP, probably an intermodal. And we'll see if I get a CN train or something coming the other way. So it's cool to be able to be shooting trains at this time of day. So with the pandemic, we've ended the curfew here in Montreal, so I can go as late as I want, really. And here the sun just came out, make this a really nice shoot. And there's the overpass. It's got some mixed freight as well. I love how the rust kind of falls down the side of those cars. Makes for something very interesting as far as a weathering project. That's neat. There's a long line of auto racks. Fortunately, it's going to block my view if there's any CN trains there. Blvd, very old, I think from the early 90s, subsidiary of Canadian Pacific in the Midwest of the US. Here's the TPU at the end. Maybe I can get it over there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. I'll leave you with a view of the mountains and the oratory there. Have a good day.